Ito po ang DTF machine namin dito sa Robinsons Sambaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. Meron kami nairan dito ng 36 meters of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean, una swiper, nozzle check, ang ink system ay tama lang. Waste ink tank ay nalinis every Friday. Ground wire, ABR, used ink, unused ink, film, production log, weekly monitoring manual, inventory, cleaning solution, magenta, yellow, cyan, black, white ink, 30 cm film, daily checklist. Yan lamang po at maraming salamat.